The UniFi Dream Router serves as a central hub for your network, integrating routing, firewall, and switch functionalities into a single device. Today, we'll cover the initial setup and connectivity options. First, let's connect the hardware. Connect the power cable to the power input and your internet connection to the appropriate WAN port. The device will take a moment to boot up and initialize. You have two main options for initial configuration. The mobile app method uses the UniFi Network app on your smartphone with Bluetooth enabled to discover and configure the device. Alternatively, you can connect a laptop and access the setup through a web browser at unifi.ui.com. The UniFi Dream Router offers comprehensive connectivity options. For wireless, the original UDR supports Wi-Fi 6 with dual-band coverage, while the newer UDR7 supports Wi-Fi 7 with tri-band, including the 6 GHz spectrum for faster speeds and lower latency. For wired connections, the original UDR includes standard gigabit Ethernet ports, while the UDR7 features three 2.5 gigabit LAN ports and a 10 gigabit SFP plus WAN LAN port, providing higher bandwidth for demanding applications and future network growth. With these setup steps complete, your UniFi Dream Router is configured and ready to serve as your network's central hub, providing reliable Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity for all your devices. Remote access allows you to manage your UniFi Dream Router from anywhere in the world. This powerful feature requires proper configuration and understanding of security implications. To enable remote access, navigate to the UniFi OS settings panel. You'll need to toggle on both Enable Remote Access and Enable Local Login with UBNT account. A UI account is required for this functionality. Remote access requires specific network ports to be open. TCP ports 443 and 8883 must be accessible through your upstream routers and ISP modems for the connection to work properly. For UniFi OS versions 3.0 and higher, direct remote connection is available, but it's not supported on network application versions 8.x and higher. This method has important security implications. A safer alternative is Teleport VPN, which creates a secure tunnel to your network. This method involves sending invitation links to devices that need remote access. When considering the UDR7 for remote access, be aware of some performance limitations. The IDS and IPS throughput may be limiting for multi-gigabit connections when security features are enabled. Despite these considerations, the UDR7 is highly recommended for its excellent value, performance, and ease of setup. It's particularly well suited for homes and small businesses requiring reliable remote management capabilities.